Engineering comes alive in motion.
Balance defines control.
Every machine begins as raw material.
Verification starts before production. Structure is prepared early.
Order prevents mistakes.
Only verified material moves forward.
Strength begins its journey.
Materials are sealed.
The factory awaits.
Authorization is confirmed.
Controlled access is granted.
Factory control begins at receiving.
Materials are revealed.
The same hands guide the process.
Control is released step by step.
Heavy handling stays gentle. Transfer begins. Everything has a place. Data confirms arrival. First checks prevent loss. Handling sets the standard.
Transport residue is eliminated.
Clean surfaces reveal precision. Protective coatings are removed safely. Residual agents are cleared.
Moisture is removed completely.
Orientation prepares assembly.
Small parts receive equal care. Cleanliness extends to people.
Everything waits.
Preparation is complete.
Clean components are ready to become a motorcycle. Assembly begins with human control. Precision starts with readiness.
structure is defined early. Stability is built step by step.
Specifications guide every action.
Power is prepared separately. Smooth motion confirms quality.
Power moves towards structure.
Alignment defines longevity. Core components are ready to advance. Rear control follows structure.
Movement is engineered carefully.
Stability is installed. Balance begins at the front. Control takes form.
Rolling components arrive.
Power prepares to meet the road. Drive systems connect. Automation begins where structure is complete. Accuracy is verified before action. Electronics arrive organized. Complexity is handled consistently. The brain of the motorcycle finds its place. Specifications are enforced digitally.
Data replaces assumption.
Visibility is engineered. Information centers the rider.
Identity is established. Consistency is double-checked.
Finishing begins where assembly ends. Security protects design. Form meets function.
Details complete the silhouette.
Comfort is engineered. Stopping power is refined. Responsiveness is verified.
Feel matters as much as force.
Stability is tuned precisely.
Finishing is complete.
Quality testing begins where assembly ends.
The first check is always visual.
Identity is confirmed before performance.
Systems are awakened.
Data reveals integrity.
Stopping power is measured.
Control must feel natural.
Transmission confirms readiness.
Motion is tested safely.
Performance is simulated.
Smoothness is essential.
Certification travels with the machine.
Quality is complete.
The final journey begins here.
Protection preserves perfection.
Movement is controlled. Identity follows the product.
Reserve. Departure is authorized.
Transport is prepared.
Care defines loading.
The product leaves the factory.
And this is how modern factories produce the Suzuki Hayabusa from start to finish.
Precision defines every stage.
Now it's time to see what this machine was built for.
Engineering comes alive in motion. Balance defines control.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.